you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your own photo sessions at home without having to spend so much money on expensive equipment such as the backdrop or software that you need to download and then you have to pay for, like, I guess monthly or yearly, it just depends. So I'm just going to save you money. So this is basically a DIY project or on the budget project, because honestly, who has the time and money to spend on these type of pictures, you know? But everybody wants to, you know, be creative with the pictures. So I'm going to share this with you guys. So if you guys want to know how to save money and, you know, you don't have to do all these extra stuff, just keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Itzel. Welcome to my channel and I hope you stay and subscribe. What you're first going to need is obviously a camera. So I recommend you to use your phone. Any kind of phone, basically. Just depends on your preference of the quality. And then from there, you're gonna have to download an app called the Green Screen. I'm going to show it up here. If I don't show it up here, I'm going to link it down in the description box so you can like download it. It's a free download. You don't have to purchase anything after or anything like that. So yeah, so it's a free app, so you can use it as much as you want without having to pay anything. You're going to need lights. I'm not saying like those Ring special lights. You can just literally go to Walmart and buy those $5 lamps like I did. I bought 2. Okay, so you're going to be mind blown because my green screen is actually not a actual green screen drop. It's funny, but it does the work. It's actually a table cover for parties and stuff like that. So I purchased my green screen from my local dollar store, and I'm pretty sure you can find this anywhere at Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Walmart, Target, Party City. So yeah. So if you're going to do this project, you're most likely going to spend $15 or less. You won't really spend as much money because you probably already have light around your house. You can also use the sun. It just depends on your preference. If you do want to take that extra step on, you know, your quality of your pictures, such as the lighting, you can purchase this at Walmart. It's funny, you can purchase this at Walmart. I think it was about like $15 or so, I don't remember, but it does shine really bright. Well, you can't tell right here, but it does shine so bright. And yeah, but that's if you want to take that extra step, or you can just purchase those ring lights. But like I said, this is like on the budget project. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through it, how to, you know, put it together and stuff like that. Now, if you want to be more creative and you want your pictures to come, you know, like professional, like, you can purchase props, or you can just look around your house and, you know, put it together like I did for my kids. So yeah, I hope you do enjoy this video. If you want to learn how to do this, just keep on watching. Hey, so I also forgot to mention that you're going to need a stand to sit your phone so you can take these pictures, or you can just have someone to help you out with the or you can just have someone to help you with the, you know, taking the pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, but I usually do this on my own, so I do use a phone stand like this one right here. I really don't remember how much was this for, but if I could find it on Amazon, which I doubt because I purchased this like years ago, but I'm pretty sure you can find one as well in Amazon or Five and Below, Walmart, Target, anywhere else. So yeah, if not, you don't have to purchase this. You can, like I said, you can have someone else to help you out by taking your pictures. That'll be very helpful, but they do have to have a steady hand. Okay, so what you're first going to need to do is download this Green Screen app right here. So that's how it looks like. And then I'm going to show you the pictures of what I put together for my kids' photo Easter session. So what I did is I look around my house to see, you know, what I had to put together for this photo session. And I had this big bunny booth chair for my son so he can sit in. Then I just placed a blanket over it, and this Easter basket and this sign that I got. But what I did purchase was the Easter eggs, the basket, and this sign. And honestly, I didn't spend that much money for this photo session. I think I spent over like $10 or even less because of all the stuff that I already had at home. So yeah, that's for example, like, you know, if you want to add props and put it together like that it's cute, go ahead and do that. Oh, and I also purchased the Easter headbands. And yeah, so as you can see here, I made my daughter stand in front of the green screen just so I can test it and take a picture. I got my pictures from Google. So I have this one and this one. This was just a test. I never actually used it, so I never get to use it. I personally didn't like it. I just was looking for something quick just so I can test out the green screen because I wanted to test out the lighting and stuff like that. So yeah, and this was the picture I actually used. So yeah, as you can tell, she is not dressed here at all, but sorry, it's kind of like rotated, but yeah, so this was just a test. And as you can see here, like, the image is not that pigmented, but you can, in the app, you can adjust it and do so much. So I ended up choosing this picture, crop it out, put it together, okay, yada yada yada. And yeah, and then I had different positions and stuff. Sorry, you can see my mop in the background. And then yeah, this is cute. So this is how my pictures actually turned out. So I used I think I used 4 different backgrounds. I used this pink background for her, just her, a blue background for my son, this background that I showed you before for both of them, this cute background, and this background that's going to be both. So I actually liked the outcome of these pictures. I did realize that the eggs that I had here, they were green as well, so you can see the background as well for the sign, like example right here. So it's just, you know, next time I should know not, I mean, I knew better, but I couldn't really do anything about it, so I just let it be. But they still look cute, you know? You save money. You have fun with it. Okay, so now, sorry about pictures, but okay, I was feeling myself for a bit. So over here, I took so many pictures with the green screen, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. So I did one picture. And so this is the background I chose, and I forgot what picture I chose, but so this is the picture I went for. You know, I adjust the filter and settings and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm going to show you how to put it together. So let's go to the app. Okay, so I went ahead and downloaded this background. I literally put 90s Chicano backdrop, and there wasn't so much to choose from, so I just quickly chose this one, and then I chose this background. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to put it together. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to choose the picture that I'm going to use, and I'm going to use a different picture from the one that I used before, and I'm trying to see which one I like. So what I'm going to do here is go on the plus, create new project, and I'm going to click on the first plus right here, and I'm going to go on photos, recents, and I'm going to go for the pic that I chose out that I'm going to use, which was this one, I believe. Okay, and then I'm going to the second layer, and I'm going to click on plus, photos, recents, and I'm going to use this background and see if I like it or not. So the background, as you can tell, it is very zoomed in, so I'm going to use this part. Then I'm going to click on the picture again, and I'm going to fix it like so. And since I want the background to show a bit more, I'm going to click on the other one. I'm just trying to see how I like it, honestly. Okay, so at the bottom, as you can tell, you can cut, copy, paste, delete, trim, split, and then you can click on the you know, here and crop or something, but I'm not going to do any of that. Actually, I'm just going to click on my picture again and see where I hate when that happens, but you have to just keep clicking back to your picture, and you just gotta have patience with this. You just gotta have patience. And then I'm going to capture image. I'm going to see if I like it like that or not. Actually not. So let's search this image, and I'm going back. It takes me back, and then going back again. Honestly, it's all about patience, and it just depends on you. Like right now, this is acting up with me, and then here I'm going to lower it. Okay, so I'm going to click on my picture, and as you can see, you can still see like green around, and I'm just gonna like fix it a little bit, I guess. You don't want to move anything else, because you know, if you move, obviously if you enable, you're gonna see green screen. You will no longer see the background, and I think I like it like that. So I clicked on image right here. If you want, you can also do a video. You can also do this for videos, but we're working on images, so I'm going to click on image, capture image, and done. And I'm going to save this to my camera roll. Okay, now I'm going to my camera roll, and as you can see, this is like you can see the white, so I'm going to crop it out. It already looks good. Like, oh my gosh, it looks cute. I'm going to crop a little bit from the top. And then I'm going to use filters. If you like, you can use filters, you know. This is cute already. So I put auto, and I like it like that. So I'm going to leave it like that. You can do so much more. You can even edit your picture, adjust the brightness, the contrast, and stuff like that. Honestly, I'm going to leave it like that. I automatically like it like that. You can just choose different filters. Like, I see more that I want to keep, like this one, Dramatic Cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this one, and I'm going back to the picture, and I'm going to save it again, because honestly I like the other filters as well. So going back, and should pop up. All right, so I'm going to crop again. So I'm going to edit again, auto, go back to filters, and go back to the one that I like. Like, oh my gosh, they all look cute. Anyways, you get the point. I'm going to keep that one. Okay. Honestly, like, you can totally tell that there's too much edit or whatnot, but honestly, it's all about having fun, okay? Now I have two different ones. So here are my two different ones. And now let's go for another one. Let's edit another one for the pink background. Okay, so going back to the green screen, and I just want to exit out. So I'm going to click on the plus in the corner, create new project, and then I'm going to click on the first lane on photos, and then we're just gonna wait, just waiting. Okay, so we're going on recents, and I forgot which one I chose. I think it was this one. Was it this one? I don't remember. Okay, anyways, let's just work on this one, and going to click on this background. Okay, the bricks were too zoomed in, so I'm zooming out, and I'm clicking on my picture. Honestly, I think I'm going to go for a black and white filter. So let me just adjust this. It's going to be on video all the time, so just make sure you click on image, capture image. And I feel like this is too square, so I'm going back. So charge this image. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to edit it. Let's click on auto. That looks cute. And then let me see, any filter. Okay, never mind. I'm not going for black and white. I'm just going to leave it like that. I honestly just click on auto and it did the adjustments for me, so I don't gotta do nothing more from there. I like it like that, so I'm going to keep it like that. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you did find this a little helpful. You know, I hope I was able to explain how to put these pictures together, and I hope you try yourself. And if you do try this, you know, DIY project and you have these pictures, post them on your Instagram and tag me, please. I want to see. So yeah, I hope I was able to explain this very well for you guys to be able to understand and know how to put it together. So yeah. Well, that's it for this video, and if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to be notified each time I upload a video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let them know how they can save money and have popping pictures. Until next time, bye!